So this is black canvas, obviously. That's a black gesso. I did that earlier, and then that dried, and then I put some liquid clear on. Tiny dot of blue, black, some purple, some crimson, some green, and some white. A little bit of green. You won't see this colour go on until I start adding the white in a bit. But yeah, just a strike of green, just there. Just a little bit more of this green, and then a little bit of blue with it, like a greeny blue. We're just gonna go. I'm gonna think about here. Just a slight angle across there. We'll just put a bit here, down here. Tiny bit of crimson. And I reckon around sort of here. There, just a little bit of crimson. We can have a little bit down there too. Tiny amounts. Purple. Go into some purple here. Go over this crimson just a bit. And a little bit of dotting about. Here. We'll do the same down here into this white. Nice little clouds in here. Little circles and stuff. Here. I'm going to turn these into clouds. Here. Look at that, guys. These things just happen. We'll have that coming right over there. Something like that. Just a few light rays coming through there. Small amount of paint on there. Find the top of this sort of green sort of line. And I got it at a slight angle tonight, so we're going to go something. So we'll have this one like this tonight, somewhere over here. Some little things in. Maybe there's a big sloshy wave just there, and it's going over. We don't see much of that because there's some action going on there. Figure out a nice sort of wave. We can have the top of the wave coming around here. Maybe we'll have that sort of curve there, something like this. And we'll have this coming across here. I just pull in a few little waves. I think I'll have this going quite far off here. This paint tonight is very, very thick. That little bit of misty bit that we had there. I might just use my finger for this. Sometimes it's easier. We're just lighten up that there. And we're just gonna slowly make a little something. Right up there. Oh, we're going to blend this off, look. Sort of here. Find that angle. All the way. Let's just pull this down. Go get that stuck on there. Got to load up the palette knife properly for this. It should pick up some of these colours as well. We'll just pull that across there, and then we're going to pull this flat. start getting all them sort of colours there. And then you can just like slightly lift some of that up. Here, and we're just gonna pull down here. This is where it make a nice shiny sort of patch. Black and white and these colours tonight. That's well good, thank you. This one is for sale if you want to buy it by going to the website visualfusions.co.uk. Beautiful colours. And we're going to pull this across and make this watery. I like some splashes that you can see. There we go. Just going to blend them out very, very lightly. Oh! Just a little bright spot there. Okay. Just a little bit of lightning. It's quite a nerve-wracking bit. Bit of dark paint. I got the purple, the crimson, the black down here. And I'm going to come in here like this. I'm going to have a nice little rock here. We're going to play around here. Just trying to get that on there, just something nothing too mad. Put a little sort of palm there. I want a palm, but it's blowing in the wind. A little bit somewhere down here. Somewhere around here we'll have a little ship. Thing that comes down here. Maybe somewhere there. Very quiet. Just with a palette knife we can create a bit of action. And this is number 533, and here's the signature. You can't really get any closer than that. That's a painting that will stick out in a frame.